Something that it's a lot of things that's very obvious to me. People don't want to do their due diligence and go through the record, which is a really crazy one to me, but especially when people have so much to say. But more than anything, I can notice the difference between the amount of work that I've invested to myself and how impactful and how much I've changed based on like where other people are, based on their actions and the things that they're saying. At some point, y'all have to accept that in order to be able to gain self-control, you got to be able to learn lessons. Like, I can't just go get Nevaeh because they've already proven to release their dogs, which is the police, if I do something like that. Even if they don't have a reason and they shouldn't arrest me, they would do it just to keep up the facade that they already got y'all believing. Even though they continuously contradict y'all, that facade, y'all just can't register it as such. That does not have a lot to do with me. I can't make people understand anything. And it's unfortunate that people feel as if it's my responsibility to make them understand anything. I'm not asking y'all to understand anything. I'm literally online for exposure and support. Once again, if I've already completed all of the procedures within the United States and all of the procedures have been proven corrupt based on the actions of the individuals who work at these jobs, there is no need for me to continue on with these procedures when I've already did them. Now I need to get into court so I can prove the crimes. Well, not prove the crimes, so I can receive remedy. We're going to make it to court, and if people are willing to like actually, go up against me or fight against me or attempt to, I guess, defend themselves, they have a right. They're going to lose regardless, because all of the crimes have been proven, and all of their actions is what inevitably prove the crimes, which or solidify their actions as crimes. One of the two, however you want to word it. The point is, the crimes have already been committed. They will 1,000,000% commit more crimes, which they're already doing directly in front of y'all. Again, they've already opened another case at the same goddamn court involving my other 2 children. It doesn't matter if Eric did it or Isaiah did it. The fact is, the courts is allowing this, knowing it's illegal. Every judge has a sworn duty and obligation to honor the Constitution. They are not doing that in these courts. And they feel as if they bigger than the program and they can't be held accountable because they convinced y'all asses that they have this thing called immunity. Ain't nobody immune from fucking consequences. That's another illusion that y'all foolishly believe. So we can commit crimes and be held accountable, but they can't. That shit don't even... How does that sound fair? Does that sound like the fair treatment that they're pushing? No. Nothing about that fucking sounds fair. Nothing you experience within the system is fair. This is what the hell I'm telling y'all. And it's not my responsibility to get anybody to understand that. It's none of my business who understands it or not. There are fucking people who understand it very fucking clearly. And there are people who have obligations and fucking jobs to do. Get me into the fucking courthouse. I'm not asking. I'm telling them that they need to allow access for me to resolve my case in the courtroom. That's what the fuck they need to do. And there has to be an honorable judge there, or that judge is just going to make his way as a defendant on. Until I can end this, I have to keep this going. I don't feel as if y'all are understanding that. I keep telling y'all I do exactly what I'm supposed to do. As do I share the fucking blatant contradictions that don't make any sense. If the motherfucker was honoring the order up until her goddamn birthday, something's wrong. Something's changed. Something is something. It has nothing to do with it being her fucking birthday. The minuscule surface level details that y'all are stopping at is not where I stop. Y'all know something that this experience has taught me? In order for one to be able to perceive danger or perceive a trap being set for them, they have to be able to catch it. They have to be able to pay attention to it. What Isaiah did was a trap. They were trying to trap me into consenting. They were trying to trap me into making what the fuck they did justifiable. It's not justifiable. It wasn't okay. There is no favors that this man can give me when he's holding my child hostage and him and the Bedford Police Department kidnapped her out of my home. Though the Bedford Police Department actively did the kidnapping themselves. Those policemen who actually raided my home. They utilized the kid. They actually The courts orchestrated the kidnapping collectively together as a Q. Bedford Municipal Court, Cuyahoga County Court of Common Pleas. They orchestrated the kidnapping. Then they sent their goons to actually fulfill the kidnapping. Their goons came in, raided the home, kidnapped the child, unlawfully detained me. Boom. Reputation has been nothing but tarnished and goddamn dragged through the mud. Public scrutiny. Once again, reputation tarnished and dragged through the mud. He has watched this happen. He's watched me fucking defend myself. He's watched me. He has received the same information that the courts have, letting him know that they are all committing crime. Chose to ignore it alongside the courts. That shit ain't got nothing to do with me. So if I'm dealing with the same motherfucker, this is the same fucking person. This person has not fucking changed. They're not going to change. The DM alone was manipulative. I'll bring her to see you. Won't be by y'all. I'll pay for everything. I don't need none of that shit. I need the law to be honored. I need remedy. I need tangible security so I can take care of myself and my children. Fuck his fucking offer and fuck him. Fuck the fucking courts. Fuck everybody that played a hand in this goddamn attack. It's real. I've proven it. And I'm tired of people trying to step to me, trying to tell me what to do when y'all don't understand shit. Move the fuck along. And I can deliver things like this. People want me to be mindful of my delivery and how I'm saying shit. Why? Nobody is mindful of how the fuck shit is landed for me. Y'all couldn't possibly care. Because once again, y'all are watching me be attacked and fight for my life. And yet people are expecting me to come passive and respectful. Where the fuck is the respect being given at? It's not. So I'd be super fucking confused on why people feel as if I'm supposed to come meek, quiet, and weak when people are literally publicly attacking me, publicly tarnishing my name and reputation. And Heaven is the one that's standing up for herself, standing 10 toes, and handling motherfucking business. Let's not play like this. I keep fucking telling y'all, this is not a game to me. This is my motherfucking life. And I have to be mindful of every fucking decision that I make. Why? Because I'm being targeted. Certainly. There are a plethora of narratives going around that are untrue, including my sexuality and me being promiscuous. Yeah, that's the word. Promiscuous. And just a whole bunch of stuff. And which is why y'all are going to find me covering these things throughout the record, and people are going to wonder, like, well, I wonder why she's talking about these things. Because these are the things, the narratives that's being created to tarnish me, to tear my reputation down. And I have to pay attention to shit like this. Including the person holding my child hostage, trying to bring her to fucking come see me. Why? I've been mentally and fucking sane this entire time. No different from fucking Eric. The switch up is crazy. And they're looking for people to believe these narratives and think I'm the one that's incorrect and wrong when I know that I'm not. All I need is access to the court so I can receive remedy. I've already proven all of the goddamn crimes. We've already did the whole court thing. The investigation has been completed. I did it by myself. like I don't know, people are blowing me. Let's not. And stalking me. The stalker talking about, I see you now, like, you haven't posted nothing today. Y'all think shit like that is fucking acceptable behavior. Literally, they're saying that they're stalking me, waiting for me to post something. And a lot of people are like this, just coming to my page every day to watch me. I don't like that shit. And I guess people feel as if, I don't know what the fuck people feel like, but I keep telling y'all that I don't like that shit. That shit not fucking funny to me, and it's not okay to me. And everybody deserves what the fuck they have coming from doing some shit like that. It's inhumane. I am an actual fucking person, a very real being, experiencing very real shit. This is not entertainment. And I'm so glad that I have the skills that I have, and I'm able to do the things that I'm able to do. And I know how to avoid traps and danger. I'm really good at that. Everybody is like, once again, everybody is intentionally looking for me to react to some shit. There's nothing's worth the reaction. This is going to end in my favor, and that's the only thing that I'm really fucking worried about. And I'm not worried about how everybody's going to respond even after that. Of course, the energy is already different. It's just going to keep getting different the further along I get and the more successful I become. And y'all really are watching, so y'all going to see it.